Alright, YouTube, back again with the Am Ryker Shadow Black. About to do a review on the foam hand grips that I bought from Slingmods for the Am Ryker. Follow me on this journey. Alright, all my Ryker riders, these are the foam hand grips that I bought from Slingmods. Right away I can tell you that the quality of the cushion is decent. A lot of padding, thick, not that hard to install. Cuts down the vibration and the pain in your hand when you're gripping the handlebars. I find it a lot more comfortable. So what I'm gonna do is take a ride, let you know how the vibrations feel when I'm hitting the bumps, how my hands feel, and how they're holding up after a couple of months. Alright, YouTube, so I'm riding around down to one of the bumpiest roads I could find. This road is under construction, just to give you a real feel on how these foam hand grips take down the vibration. Prior to having the foam hand grips, when I would hit the potholes and the bumps just on a regular, just that rubber grip was putting a lot of pressure and giving me aches and pains even with padded gloves. So I went with the foam hand grips. And let me tell you, it's a difference from night and day. The comfort, when I hit the bumps, I don't feel like I'm banging on or holding on to metal monkey bars. It cuts down the vibrations. It's a nice soft grip. I feel I don't have to squeeze that hard. Nice and wide. Helps cut back on the fatigue and just overall comfort riding. So let me tell you, I recommend you get these. I'm quite sure other places sell them and other for cheaper. But I buy my stuff from Slingmods. They're not giving me this for free, nor is the review for free. This is just my own interpretation of it. But I do feel it's worth it, especially when you're putting on long miles. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, helping me grow. Like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.